Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this episode I'm going to look at some other pivot functionalities. For example, let's add a chart. So we have calculated the cost, and now I don't add any more new fields into the pivot table, but I will add a chart. So I will add a pivot chart. For example, this clustered column chart will show us the margin and the turnover. Also, if I want to see the cost, then the cost there as well. Or maybe it makes more sense only see the turnover and the cost, and hopefully in all cases your turnover is higher than your cost. You can add, for example, a filter here, manufacturer's country, and in your chart you can filter on let's say Hong Kong, and it is filtered on Hong Kong, or USA and South Africa. And you can have data labels in the Swiss franc, but you have the chart values, so it is all about readability and making it nice and neat. You need to make it higher so that the data doesn't collide. Just by your eye you can see that this is around 413, this is 200, 300, around 360. It could be for carat, yeah, 330. I was a bit mistaken. So you can have the data labels for these ones as well. The most important is it's nice, and whoever requested you to create the chart can read it. Okay, that was about adding a chart in your pivot table. Thank you very much for your attention. See you soon. Bye.